Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I have something gorgeous and sweet to share with all of you. Well, recently I found out that one of my nephews will have a baby boy, so I want to make something special for him. But well, I decided to make this stitch all around this blanket that he had with elephants. So I will give you the step by step. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Well, I will crochet all around this blanket that measure 75 and 75 centimeters. Okay, I found this at Walmart and like you will be a boy, so I decided to buy this with animal print. I will use this yarn that it's a fine material. It will come in different colors in my case, and I will use these iron hooks. I will use one first to make all the holes around the blanket so I can start with the stitch, and then the other one we will use it to crochet. So I will use this iron hook of number 8, remembering the smaller number, and the hook of number double O, okay? And this is the material that I will use. Well, as you could see, this blanket it's very light and I use it for a million things. When you are a new mom, these kind of blankets are so useful, so I highly recommend it. So well, I will start right here. As you could see, we have an edge that it seems that it was made with the machine, but well, I bought more so I can make more for my nephew. But well, we are going to start right here using the smaller hook that we want, and we will make first the base, so then later we can crochet the stitch over this base. Okay, so as you could see, I'm using here the thickest hook, and I will crochet over this edge. We are going to make in the same place 3 single crochet, and we are going to continue like this all around the edge. We are going to skip distance. We are going to calculate that we always leave the same distance between segments, and we are going to make 3 single crochet together again in the same place. And well, remember that also the secret is that I suggest that this blanket is made of a fabric of cotton or something light and something easily to pass it through, okay? If not, well, you will have to make extra steps using maybe tools that can help you to make the holes, and then over them we can crochet. But well, we are going to continue like this the whole row. Well, at the end of the row, we are going to slip one to close, and now we are going to change the hook. So we are going to use now the hook of double O, and right here we will go up with 3 chains first, then in the middle of the segment right there we are going to make a double crochet, then next to it a double crochet, then 1, 2 chains. We will skip 1, 2, 3, basically one segment, and we will start right in the other segment. Right there we are going to make a double crochet, then basically we are going to make 1 double crochet over each chain, then turn around. Well, here is where we are going to start making the elephants. So here we have these 2 segments, right? So now turn around, and to start with the next row we are going to slip 1 right here inside to make double crochet over double crochet. So here first we will go up with 3 chains, then we are going to make double crochet over double crochet. So we are going to make a double crochet over the last double crochet that we made, and also here. Then we are going to make one double crochet here inside and a second one right here inside, also in the same place. Then we are going to crochet double crochet over double crochet, so this means that we are going to make 3. So while making a review, we are going to have 3 double crochet here, then 2 double crochet inside and 3 double crochet at the end. Then we are going to make the tail of the elephant, so we are going to make 4 chains and we will skip 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain we are going to make a single crochet. Then we are going to turn around, so we are going to slip 1 here in all the chains. So remember that we made 4, so we are going to slip 1, then 2, 3, and 4. Then we are going to make 1 more to start right here with the next row, and we are going to make double crochet over double crochet. So remember that here we will have 3, then 2, and then 3. So it means that we will have 8 double crochet. And well, so far, as you could tell, we have and we are creating the body of the elephant. Now, once we finish, I will show you how we are going to make the details, okay, the rest of it. So here we are going to finish making the 8 double crochet. Then we have the tails, we have the legs, the body. Now we are going to make the ear. So we are going to make 3 chains and then we are going to come back and insert the hook right in the second row of double crochet right there, and we are going to slip 1. Then we are going to turn, but well, first we are going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and now we are going to turn our project like this, and we are going to insert the hook in the back, taking the second double crochet, and right there making a double crochet. Then inside we are going to make a second double crochet and a third double crochet, as you could see here in relief. Then we are going to make 4 double crochet, then 1, 2, 3 chains, and again in the same place we are going to slip 1. So here we have 1 ear. So if we count the chains of double crochet, it means that we will have 6. Then we are going to insert the hook right in the first chains that we made. We are going to slip 1. We will make 3 chains, and right there inside we are going to make 4 double crochet, and then we are going to close making 3 chains and slipping 1. So basically we are making the same that we made in the other side. So 4 double crochet. Here I'm having a little bit of trouble. Let me take this loop. Okay, then 3 chains, and then in the same place we are going to slip 1. So here we have the ears of the elephant. Okay, so now we are going to make the elephant trunk. So we are going to make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are going to come back to the third chain, 1, 1, 2, and 3. And right there we are going to make a single crochet. Okay, again. Right here in the third chain we are going to make a single crochet, then 1, 2, 3 chains, and we are going to skip 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth a single crochet. So here we have our first elephant. So pretty, right? Okay, and well, we are going to now make the next one. So we are going to make 8 single crochet. Okay, this single crochet will be the distance between elephant and elephant. I suggest that you have this into account because remember that there is a moment where we turn the stitch and we have to come back some spaces to make the tail. So with 8 single crochet the tail will be perfect because we are going to insert the hook right here in the fourth. So take that into account and don't leave less spaces between. So from here we will go up with 3 chains. Oh no, but sorry, here we are going to first slip one and right here we are going to start. So we will go up with 3 chains. And remember that first we are going to make the legs. Here we'll just make a review because we already made this. But well, let's review. Remember 3 double crochet, 1 in each stitch, then 2 chains. We will skip 1, 2, and in the third I'm going to make the next segment of 3 double crochet. So here we are making the legs. Then we are going to turn around. We are going to slip one to start right here, and then we are going to make 1 double crochet over each chain. Okay, so here double crochet over double crochet, but also inside the 2 chains that we made we are going to make 2 double crochet. Okay, so here we are making part of the body. And well, here also I suggest that if you crochet a little bit loose, you change the number of your hook for a smaller number. Okay, it's better if you crochet this part a little bit tight so you can tell better the shape of the elephants. Okay, well here we are finishing part of the body and now we are supposed to make the tail, right? So we are going to make 1, 2, yes, we are supposed to make the tail 3, 4 chains, and we are going to skip 2, 3, and in the fourth a single crochet. Then we will turn around. We are going to slip one in each part of the chain. Okay, and at the end also remember that we are going to iron so we can face the ears to one side. Okay, so here we are going to slip one in each chain so we can start with the next part. Here we are supposed to continue making part of the body, and I don't know what do you think, but probably I will change my hook because I wanted the elephant tails better, so probably I should do this part more tightened, but well, I will see. Also at the end remember that as I told you we are going to iron and we are going to fix it a little bit. But well, I want to finish to teach you how to make it, and well, remember that here we are making a review. I want to make it again with you so you can see exactly how it is. So here we are going to make double crochet over double crochet like this, and well, at the end we are going to make 3 chains, and we are going to slip one in the second row in the last double crochet, and now we are going to turn around, and remember that we are going to start making the ears like in relief. We are going to take the second double crochet of the last row and we are going to place the hook in the back, and right there inside we are going to start with this new segment. We are going to slip one, we will go up with 3 chains, and then inside here we are going to make 4 double crochet. So here we have 1, then 2, 3, and 4, and we are going to finish making 3 chains, and we are going to slip one. So here we have the first ear, and now we are going to turn, and right here in the same double crochet inside we will go up with 3 chains, and we are going to make the second ear. We are going to make inside 4 double crochet. As you could see, it's very easy. Once you make the first one, you will continue easily with the next one, and well, this is how you are going to continue all around your blanket until you finished. And also, if you want, you can make it in one side of your blanket only, or like you decide. But well, here we finished the second ear. Now I'm about to make the trunk. I will make it tighten. So okay, from here we are going to slip one to close a little bit the ears. Then we are going to make 5 chains, 4 and 5. We are going to come back to the third chain, and we are going to make a single crochet, then 3 chains, 1 2 3, and in the fourth chain we are going to make a single crochet, and like this is how we finish. As I told you at the end, we are going to extend and fix all the elephants. We are going to put a protection on there, and when we are going to pass the iron, and the elephants will look so pretty. As I told you, you can make this stitch only in one side of the blanket or all around. Also, you can make this stitch to decorate a sweater, or what else, or a poncho or a beanie or something else. You can make it in different colors, and I think that this idea it's perfect for any occasion. I love, remember that as I told you, I'm going to be great aunt, so I'm going to give this blanket as a gift. But well, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope that you all make it and that this stitch is very useful for you. Please let me in the comments what else would you like to use this stitch for. And well, please don't forget to subscribe. Remember that it's completely free. Don't forget to share this video also, and to follow me in all my social media. See you in Facebook, Instagram, and I'm new in TikTok, so see you there too. And have a nice day, and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.